Hi everybody, this is Bhupinder Tube. Welcome to my channel. Another day and another problem. And this problem is that whenever I start my computer, this app automatically opens. It's a very good app, but I don't want it every time to be on when I turn on my computer. So how we can stop this from automatically starting? It's really easy. All you need to do is to click on your start and type in startup. Then this setting will come up on top here called startup apps. Select that. It shows all the apps that can start up when the window starts, and you can see already that the net limiter client app is on. All you need to do is to select that and it becomes off. As you can see, it has a high impact. High impact means it takes a long time for your Windows to start because of this app. So it's better it would be off. And hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and put any comments below of any other video that you would like me to make for you. Thanks for watching, guys.